Okay, so this is the leather armor I was talking about. This goes for my left shoulder. It is made out of like 1/4 inch leather, but it's the same basic design. So what we have here is this part is where your shoulder goes. This goes over your other shoulder to make sure that this doesn't slide down, because this is really heavy and it will slide down your shoulder if you're moving around and doing things with it, unless you have a strap like this. And then this strap down here goes around your torso. So in order to put it on, if you ever put on like a vest or something that was a little tight, get both hands and you just toss it over your shoulder like that. Or you can do like, the more reasonable one, which is you get one shoulder in and then get your other shoulder in like that. So and then you just take this right here, which I messed up when I made this and made this not easily accessible, and then you just buckle it in. So this is what it looks like. But yeah, it's easy to put on and take off, unless you have like serious shoulder damage, and then that might be an issue. But I've played with these before without this strap, and very quickly they just kind of fall off. So that's why that's there. With this, if you can see, these straps right here is how this is attached to the shoulder. In the version that you'd be getting, the one listed on Etsy, instead of it being snap buckles, they're like adjustable plastic slider things. Trying to see if I have any on hand, but I don't. So that's how they're attached, but it's a similar thing where you just have two points of contact that wrap around the shoulder in the case of the Etsy listing. And the other difference is this one, since it was made for me, that isn't adjustable, but in the Etsy listing, this is adjustable. And since this is leather, it also has holes instead of like a slide thing, so this is far less adjustable. But yeah, weapon frog. But yeah, so that's a similar design. I actually built this one first, showed it to a guy, and then that's what ended up becoming the listing I have up there. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.